Hello everyone, what's up? I hope you are doing well at home. So let us continue the remaining part of 5th lesson, the Happy Field textbook bits. Page number is 60. B-bit. Use the correct words from exercise A to complete these sentences. First one, Tina and Arif played on the seesaw and the slide in the dash playground. Here you have to use the words from A bit and you have to write, okay? Playground, Playground, playground. Second, please get me a dash. I would like to read India Times. Nothing but newspaper, Newspaper, paper, newspaper. Third, what did you have for dash? I had milk, bread and jam. Answer is breakfast. B-R-E-A-K, break, F-A-S-T, first, breakfast. Next, fourth, the brown dash with the golden buckle belongs to mother. The brown handbag, very good. H-A-N-D, hand, B-A-G, bag, handbag. Fifth, we have 2 classes before break time according to the dash. Nothing but timetable, T-I-M-E-T-A-B-L-E, table, timetable. Okay? So, let us see the next one. Listening part. Listen and write the names of the 7 colors of the rainbow in the correct order. Then color the rainbow. So, here what you have to use? You have to use crayons or color pencils and start doing the coloring part. Okay? So, first is violet, V-I-O-L-E-T, violet, I-N-D-I-G-O, indigo, B-L-U-E, blue, G-R-E-E-N, green, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, R-E-D, red. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. According to this you have to color, children, okay? Rainbow coloring part. Next comes punctuation bit. Read these sentences. River. Oh look, a hollow. So these sentences show surprise. Nothing but we have to use exclamation mark. This is the symbol of exclamation, okay? At the end of the sentence that shows strong feelings such as joy, surprise, sadness or anger. You have to use exclamatory mark. So place the exclamation marks or full stops at the end of this sentence. So let us see the first one. Oh, I think I'm lost. Nothing but sudden expression. So you have to keep exclamatory mark like this. Okay. Second one. Maya is a helpful girl. Just he is declaring. So you have to keep full stop. Third. What an interesting play. Exclamatory mark. Fourth. Look at the pretty butterfly. Exclamatory mark. Okay. Fifth. Samik wants to play carom. Full stop. Then sixth. What a lovely painting! Exclamatory mark. Okay. So, word activity part. This already I have given you in the notebook. So, we can learn from that. So, learn these words and their meanings. So, garden. What do you mean by garden here? The meaning is a place which can be part of the house where we grow colorful flowers, fruits and vegetables. G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Garden meaning is this one, okay? Forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. An area where many trees grow thickly together. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. Next, meadow. M-E-A-D-O-W, meadow. A field of grass. A field of grass, as you can see in a picture. Okay, field of grass. Next, swamp, S-W-A-M-P, swamp. Nothing but the land which is always soft and wet. The land is very soft and wet. So that is called as swamp, S-W-A-M-P, swamp. Now make sentences in your notebook with any 3 words that you have learned. Okay, based on this you have to make some sentences. Like me too, if you are taken, you have to use another sentences. Okay, so in this way. But don't worry, I have given you in the notebook part, so you can check it out. Then let us see the next one, writing part. Put these sentences in the correct order. Number them from 1 to 5. So first one already he has done. The flat field showed and showed till it made a hump. This was the first one. So now which is the second? The cloud filled up a hollow with water. This is the second one. Many ducks and geese came to the lake. This is the third one. Then the field squeezed some flowers from the grass. This is the fourth one. Then the flat field was happy now that it was looking beautiful. Nothing but fifth one. Okay. So based on this, you have to write these sentences in your notebook using these words: first, next, then and finally. You can begin like this. First, the flat field showed and showed till it made a hump. Okay. Then afterwards you have to write the second part. The cloud filled up a hollow with water in a sentence formation. This is also done in a notebook part. Okay. So no need to worry. So well, this is the life skill. No need to learn this. So till here we will stop, and we have completed the textbook part till page number 62. Okay children, we have completed this 5th lesson. So in the next video I will be explaining you the notebook part. Okay. So till that time, keep learning. Take care. Bye-bye.